you have to find a niche. And it's taken me 6 weeks. I've gone through a lot of different types of videos in this 6 weeks. One of the things that delayed me, and I've talked about this in past videos, but one of the things that delayed me from starting my YouTube journey this time was I didn't know what my niche was going to be. And finally, I just kind of got to the point where I said, you know what, whatever, I'm just going to start. I'm just going to press record and I'm going to see what happens. And I'm going to make, I had like in my head at the time, I think I had 5 or 6 video ideas that I wanted to try. As time has gone on, it's become very clear to me that one of the reasons why I'm not getting the impressions that I'd like to get, one of the reasons why I'm not getting the views that I'd like to get, is because the YouTube algorithm doesn't really know what to do with my videos at this point. It still doesn't know hardly anything about me because I've bounced around so much. I had an unemployment video, followed by a Costco video, followed by a video about YouTube growth, talking to people over 40 years old, starting a new YouTube channel. And then I went back to Costco, and then I had fantasy football video in there. And so jumping around like this, I think is confusing, not only to the algorithm, it's confusing to subscribers. And so when a subscriber comes in and they subscribe to the channel because of the Costco video, and then my other videos aren't about that, well, they're less likely to watch them. That kills your views because now your subscribers aren't watching them. YouTube is less likely to push this out. So I think I have to pick a niche. I have to pick a horse basically and figure out this is what I'm going to ride until the wheels fall off. That's a terrible mixed metaphor, but that's kind of where, my head was. I've decided at this point, when I look at my videos and I look at the level of engagement that I've gotten, there has been one standout winner. When I have talked to creators, new creators, or people who are contemplating starting as a creator, particularly over 40, because that's the niche that I'm in. When I focus on that group of people and I focus on that as my viewer, that's when my engagement has gone up the most. I've gotten the most likes. I've gotten the most comments. Moving forward, that's going to be my niche. That's what I'm going to focus on. And that's what I'm going to make videos towards. And obviously, if you're still here and you've watched this far in the video, please do me a favor and press that like button because, as you probably know, that goes a long way for the YouTube algorithm. And if you want to see more videos like this, then click this video right here. I would really appreciate that. And until then, I will see you next time.